Welcome to Teaching Tax Flows, Part 2 of 2 Car and Truck Deduction mini lesson. In this mini lesson, we're going to focus on vehicle bonus depreciation and Section 179 deduction. The content in this lesson is asked weekly in the Teaching Tax Flow ecosystem, and I'm excited to share it with you. Before we get started, we're going to look at what IRC Code Section 280F defines as a passenger automobile. So once we define what a passenger automobile is, then we can determine what the depreciation limits for those passenger automobiles are per Revenue Procedure 2022-17. Then from there, take a look at bonus depreciation for vehicles over 6,000 pounds and Section 179 deduction for vehicles over 6,000 pounds. That 6,000 pound limit is critical when it comes to utilizing bonus depreciation in Section 179 for vehicles. So, according to IRC Section 280F, a passenger automobile is two things. One, it's a four-wheeled vehicle that is manufactured primarily for the use of public streets, roads, and highways, and it's rated under 6,000 pounds, unloaded gross vehicle weight or less. So this is critical. So if it's over the 6,000 pounds, then it's going to have a special category that it's considered a non-passenger automobile. All right. Details on this are, like I said, in IRC Section 280F. When we look at the depreciation limits for passenger automobiles laid out, and these are laid out each year, you can see that a passenger automobile, so those 6,000 pounds or less vehicle, the maximum depreciation deduction year one is $19,200 in 2022, and that's including bonus depreciation. Without bonus depreciation, it's $11,200. Now let's start looking at the vehicles that are over 6,000 pounds. If a vehicle is over 6,000 pounds, there's some rules. You obviously have to use this vehicle more than 50% for business. There are some deduction limits for luxury or smaller weight classes, but at this point, a vehicle over 6,000 pounds would be eligible for that 100% bonus depreciation in year 2022. That bonus depreciation phases out into 2027 where you have a 0% bonus depreciation. There's no maximum amount or no limit on purchases like Section 179. We have a whole other mini lesson just on bonus depreciation, but we wanted you to see this specifically for automobiles and trucks. Or Section 179 for automobiles and trucks. For 2022, you could expense up to $1 million of eligible property. 2023, $1.16 million of eligible property. Now, keep in mind, if you are a larger business and you're adding additional qualified property, that can be phased out. We have a whole nother mini lesson just on Section 179. Now, the difference between 179 and bonus with the auto, 179 is limited to your business's net income, and where bonus depreciation can create a loss on the business. All right, vehicles or fleet trucks and vans that are used more than 50% are eligible for the Section 179 deduction. So those are some of the differences between bonus depreciation and Section 179 for vehicles. All right, let's take a look at all these calls to action. If you are eligible for car and truck deduction, so if you have a qualified vehicle, figure out if bonus depreciation or Section 179 provides you with the most beneficial result. Remember, you can take bonus depreciation on those passenger vehicles, but it's very limited. Make sure you utilize our Teaching Tax Law Automobile and Truck Deduction Matrix document. That document is on our inner ecosystem. If you have problems locating it, just hit us up on the discussion board. It's part of the Teaching Tax Law Entrepreneur course. Make sure you keep accurate mileage logs for business use. Think long-term when you're determining how to deduct a vehicle, because you have to be aware of those depreciation capture rules. What that means is that if you take bonus depreciation or Section 179 deduction and you subsequently sell the vehicle, if you wrote the whole thing off year one and you sell it year three, all that income is added back. You definitely utilize the interplay between bonus depreciation and Section 179, or electing out of bonus depreciation. Because at times you might want a specific depreciation amount, so you might elect out of bonus and take Section 179. All right, thanks for watching this mini lesson. Have a great day.
John here from Teaching Tax Flow. I wanted to thank you for watching this video. We literally have hundreds of hours of content between podcasts, webinars, videos just like this built specifically for you, the taxpayer. Whether you're a full-time employee, you're a freelancer, you're a contractor in some other sense, or you're thinking about getting into business for yourself, everything here at Teaching Tax Flow is perfect for you, basically going off of the roadmap provided by the IRS to legally and ethically reduce the taxes paid over your lifetime. So be sure to subscribe to this channel and connect with Teaching Tax Flow, and we will see everybody very soon.